that in sharing our feelings. Yes, in the last video we have studied answering one word. Now we are moving further towards answer the following questions. Okay, here you have to answer in brief, right? Now see number 1, what work does Ravi Bhaiya do? So children, you know that Ravi Bhaiya, what do Ravi Bhaiya? Ravi Bhaiya teaches students of college. Yes or no? He was a teacher, right? So we write here Ravi Bhaiya teaches students of college. I repeat, Ravi Bhaiya teaches students of college. Okay students. Now see number 2. Why was Seema very happy? Why was Seema happy, children? You know that she likes to play football and she was selected in football team. Yes or no? So that's why she was happy and she told to Ravi Bhaiya, yes, that she has been selected. Okay, she has been selected in football team. So we will write here, Seema was selected for football team, so she was very happy. Okay children, Seema was selected for football team, so she was very happy. Now see number 3, what is Ravi Bhaiya fond of? So children, what Ravi Bhaiya likes? What is his hobbies? You also have some hobbies, right? To play, to dance, to listen to music, to read, to write. Okay, you have some more hobbies also. Yes or no? So here Ravi Bhaiya also has some hobbies. So what he is fond of? Ravi Bhaiya likes to listen music, take parts in drama, talk with friends, etc. These are the hobbies of Ravi Bhaiya. He is fond of these things. See, Ravi Bhaiya likes to listen to music, takes part in drama, talk with friends, etc. Understood? Now see number 4. How do we help those who cannot see? So children, how we can help to those who cannot see? Think about it. How you can help if you see a blind people? How you can help him or her? Tell me. You will help them by crossing a road, yes or no? If you will see them on a road, what you will do? You will help them to cross the road. Okay. So likewise also you can help by some other things also. We will study how we can help the blind people. Okay, by doing things for them, yes or no? Now see, we can help them to cross the road by getting seat in the bus. मतलब अगर हम बस में किसी blind people को देखते हैं तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम उनको बैठने की जगह देंगे, है ना? So by giving them seat in the bus, by reading newspaper for them. Okay, we can help them to cross the road. Road cross करने में उनकी help करेंगे by giving them seat in the bus and by reading newspaper for them. Understood children? Okay, now number 5. What is the Braille script? So children, what is the Braille script? You know that Braille script is only made for blind people. Blind people can read and write with the help of Braille script. Yes or no? So Braille script is one kind of special script. इसमें इसको special क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि वो specially blind लोगों के लिए बनाई गई है ना? Blind लोग लिख सके, पढ़ सके, उसके लिए वो बनाई गई है. इसलिए वो एक तरह की special script है जो कि blind लोगों के लिए बनाई गई है. Braille script is one kind of special script for blind people. Yes or no? Now see number 6. What trouble does Seema's nanny have? So children, what trouble does Seema's nanny have? You know that she cannot hear properly and walk properly. Yes or no? She has back pains here, right? So Seema's nanny have trouble of less eyesight. Yes or no? Less eyesight मतलब वो सही से देख नहीं सकती थी and cannot able to hear properly. Yes or no children? You remember that Seema's father read newspaper for her nanny aloud. Yes, because she cannot see properly and hear properly. वो सही से सुन नहीं पाती थी, इसके लिए सीमा के पापा क्या करते थे? सीमा की नानी के लिए न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते थे जोर से, समझ में आया? तो सीमा's नानी have trouble of less eyesight and cannot able to hear properly. See number 7 now. When does Ravi Bhaiya get angry? So children, do you remember when does Ravi Bhaiya get angry? I explained you in the chapter. Yes or no? So do you remember? Yes. Ravi Bhaiya gets angry when someone help him beyond his wish. अगर वो नहीं बोलता है फिर भी अगर उसकी कोई हेल्प करता है तो वो गुस्सा हो जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि वो भले ही ब्लाइंड है पर वो अपना सब काम खुद से करना चाहते हैं, है ना? तो रवि भैया when someone comes for help, जब कोई उनकी हेल्प के लिए आता है, beyond his wish, उसकी विश के बिना, रवि भैया gets angry. When someone comes for help beyond his wish, Ravi Bhaiya gets angry. Understood children? Now see number 8. How does Ravi Bhaiya comes to know so many things without seeing? कैसे उसको सारी चीजें पता चल जाती है? You know that Ravi Bhaiya was blind. So how he comes to know everything? You remember when Seema comes, he tells her okay, if she is happy or she is sad. Yes or no? Or someone else come, he also comes to know that who is coming to the house. Okay, so how does he come to know? Tell me, guess. So number 1 is he can identify by touching things. चीजों को टच करके उसको पता चल जाता था कि ये कौन सी चीज है. Yes, he can identify by touching things. And number 2 is he can identify by their voice. वो लोगों की आवाज पहचान के समझ जाता था कि कौन है. He can identify people by their voice. I repeat my answer. Number 1 is he can identify by touching things. चीजों को टच करके उन्हें पता चल जाता था कि कौन सी चीज है. And number 2, लोगों को वो कैसे रिकॉग्नाइज करते थे? He can identify people by their voice. उनकी आवाज से वो लोगों को पहचान जाते थे. So he can identify by people by their voice. Understood children up to here? Okay, so you have test tomorrow of chapter number 13 from workbook and CW board.